What's up guys, it's Andrew here from Pennant Players back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to use the MACD in terms of a bullish crossover to get in on upward movement on a stock. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more. So we can use the MACD in many ways, but one particular way that I like to use it is with the bullish crossover. Now, this is a very simple concept here, and this mostly pertains to swing trades. However, you can use it for many other forms of trades and to incorporate it as it is just one piece of the puzzle. And please never to just trade on one indicator alone, as it doesn't really give you the full picture of what's going on and how the movement might play out. But the bullish crossover on the MACD can be a very useful indicator in your trading. So what I like to find here is it's pretty self-explanatory from the name. It is a crossover. So depending on what color you're using to set up your MACD indicator, I'm fairly certain that this is the standard, so I'll just go by that to make it easier for the new beginners here. You're going to want to look for a crossover from the blue line to cross through this, beige, yellowish type line. And what this is signaling is a strength and upward movement, potentially in the price action. So we're going to want to see here, this is a perfect example, is FIXX. Now, here we can see it's being oversold and overbought on the RSI, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the MACD. So you're going to want to go down here to the MACD, and you can see that at each time it hit this cross, at each time this blue line crossed beneath this beige line, it goes down, and every time that it crosses, the blue line crosses above this beige line, it goes up. So this is a fairly simple concept, and you're going to want to watch out for these moves because they can be short or they can be long. So for example, right here, we saw the crossover right here. So you could see the blue line was below the beige line, and then it crossed over. However, it was a very sharp move up, so only 2 days. So we're going to want to make sure to see if it is now heading down again. So we can see here it heads down, it's a peak, and then you can see it starts turning down. So that is a signal to, sell at that point. If you've gotten into that move, and again, just be very careful because it may lead to, some sort of implication that there will be a reversal in the price action. However, that may not take place. So for example, we can see here, this crossed over right here. The blue line crossed right then and there beneath the beige line, which would be a bearish signal that the price would go down. However, it kept, continuing. It got a nice little jump, and since then it's been relatively staying within this channel, pretty stagnant. So this is just something you want to watch out for. However, this crossover can be very useful. As you can see, the majority of the time, it tends to follow it pretty well. So that's a brief overview on the MACD bullish crossover. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more. This is Andrew from Pennant Players. Stay green, guys.